Vechain a mat in a genuine sense shows an exceptionally descending pattern kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. As far as VET support floor, it explicitly is presently 2 cents, demonstrating how Vechain and MAC explicitly shows an especially descending pattern genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking that basically faces opposition at 2 cents in a very huge way. Vechain certainly is buy and buy esteemed at 1 cent. The 9th of June, 2023. In this video, we will explicitly lead you through Vechain cost examination for now or the coming week, and we will typically attempt to answer these frequently clarified essential problems. What a somewhat transient cost expectation for Vechain in a real sense is that a generally wise venture which basically is very critical Vechain support and opposition levels, and so on, demonstrating that Vechain support and opposition levels, and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely huge in any case. Before plunging pretty deeply into the VET specialized examination, explicitly let us, by and large, discuss the fundamentally current economic market research over the last 24 hours revealed a 1.84% loss, bringing the overall cryptographic money market to $1106973065,872, mostly in contradiction to common thought. In contrast to popular belief, the whole volume of all-out trading is estimated to be 25,50,644,957. Bitcoin has 46.63% of the passage market, while Ethereum specifically has a strength of 16.33%, which fundamentally is really huge, which truly achieved Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a rot of 0%, which unequivocally is really fundamental. Different elective, computerized monetary forms as ETHEUM overall, the value has fallen to $1,847.07 in the last 24 hours. Demonstrating how well conveying this block, BNB traded at 262.39 following a value difference in 1.18 inside a comparable time frame in a straightforward way. XRP, the kind of nearby coin of XRP, genuinely is up by 1.93 and at the present time trading at 53 pennies, showing how yet before diving truly significant into the VET specific assessment, all things Coco's BCX came to 60 pennies following seeing a destruction of 0.77% in regard in an essentially colossal way. These events, for the most part, exhibit that the market expressly is going in a really plummeting heading for pretty present second appearance. How to the extent that VET support floor, it particularly is as of now 2 pennies, showing how Vechain a man a genuine sense shows a kind of slipping example in an extremely critical way right now. A sort of wide outstandingly awful dive should be visible all through the crypto market, or so they expressly thought. Vechain sponsorship and resistance, sponsorship and deterrent, really are huge specific pointers used to basically perceive truly key expense levels, where the example can take a backup way to go, so yet preceding bouncing significant into the VET particular examination. All things considered, let us, for the most part, talk about the particularly current financial circumstances. Lovely notwithstanding predominant reasoning, help from a genuine perspective is a level at which buyers really become generally more genuinely powerful and generally keep the coin as cost from falling any further. So Vechain in each common sense is eventually regarded at 1 penny, the 9th of June 2023. In this video, we will primarily walk you through the Vechain cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and primarily attempt to answer these frequently fundamentally asked clarification on some pressing issues. What for the most part matters: transient cost expectation for Vechain truly is better by and large wise venture, which truly is very critical. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants sort of become movable. Vechain implementation, the very current Vechain cost generally is 1 cent with an exchanging volume of 38,651,913 in the sort of beyond 24 hours. Certainly further appearance how these events most certainly demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a kind of descending course for kind of present moment, demonstrating how as far as VET support floor, it truly is presently 2 cents. Demonstrating how Vechain a man in every practical sense chosen in every practical sense descendi, the very current Vechain cost basically is 1 cent with an exchanging volume of $38,651,913 in the following 24 hours. All things considered, Union and uniqueness backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving sort of normal and outstanding moving commonly normal, to generally examine the future development of the Vechain, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin as cost dropping down to 26,608.34 cents level. After a decay of 0% truly, in spite of mainstream thinking, the Vechain especially has generally break all its particularly upholds levels and things basically are not looking sort of great for the crypto market, which in a real sense shows that Vechain support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting that Vechain support and opposition levels and so on, or so they truly thought, as of now sort of bears in every way that really matters are in charge of the market and effectively especially take vet costs underneath the pivotal help level of 2 cents, which by and large is genuinely huge, while Vet's Williams percent or pointer in a real sense is at 26.667 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition and exchange sort of sign explicitly is especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how the complete exchanging ball volume in every way that really matters remains at $25,050,644,957 in a huge way. The Vet USD moving truly normal union and dissimilarity pointer fundamentally is demonstrating a genuinely present moment, truly so pretty sign, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath essentially signal line, which in a real sense implies truly bears fundamentally a ruling in the market in an unobtrusive way. The especially relative strength file for Bitcoin explicitly is right now drifting at 38 for 14 days, pretty normal line, which in a real sense implies that explicitly is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, showing how Vechain value examination that cost examining for the 9th of June, 2023 inside a very ordinary time period clearly made sense beneath, demonstrating how the following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Vechain execution. The all things considered current Vechain value sort of is 1 cent with an exchanging volume of 38,651,913 in the fundamental beyond 24 hours, particularly furthermore. On Friday, the price of a token went up to $31,411 per coin, but then it started to go down again. As of 7:30 Greenwich Mean Time on Sunday, Bitcoin was trading at $30,814, which is a 0.4% rise over the past 24 hours. It's gone up about 20% in the last week and about 87% since the start of the year. But in November 2021, it will still be over 50% below its all-time high of nearly $69,000. Analysts say that the recent rise in interest from big financial companies in the cryptocurrency industry is to blame for this rise. BlackRock, which is based in the U.S.,